We've been with working with StoreForce since 2018 when we had 18 stores, and now we're at over 100. So we definitely have been growing with StoreForce. And prior to that, if I can even remember, we were manually creating schedules and we were guessing, right? We had to figure out the old school way, as I like to say, and how we needed to make sure that we had the right staff during the right times. But now with StoreForce, that has all gone out the window because we can leverage the data within it to help us be smarter in how we're scheduling our teams. Yes, hi, I'm Catherine Dela Cruz, and I am the Vice President of Retail Operations and Training for Fabletics. I interact with StoreForce on a daily for everything from scheduling, which is the main use case of why we started utilizing StoreForce, but obviously that has grown into so many different ways that we're leveraging the tool, from task completion to labor banding to all of the insights related to our operations within our four walls. I would say immediately. Again, the visibility is key to any progress that you need to make, right? We always like to say what doesn't get measured doesn't get done. So now being able to see how stores are performing within the day instead of after the fact, being able to see it live and coach in the moment, I would say has been really transformational in how our conversations are with our store managers up to our regional directors up to HQ. So we all have the same visibility of the same data in one place. And we really are able to just cut straight to the chase on, okay, well, what opportunities are you seeing? I'm seeing X, Y, and Z today. Let's talk through it. So instead of doing the whole call, where are you at today? What's your AOV? What's your conversion? We all have that visibility already. So now we save time and really have more of a impactful conversation to create an action plan on what needs to happen for that day to be successful. Well, we have a unique business model. We have a membership model at Fabletics, so that visibility alone, I would say, has been huge for us. And being able to understand where our team successes are in membership activation and acquisition, and being able to coach in the moment, I would say has been super helpful. In addition to conversion, like any other business I would say would probably call out, understanding what our traffic is and then what our orders are based on that, and then all of the metrics around it and the insights, I'd say has been really impactful as well, not only for the field team, but also for us at HQ. And also now we're able to speak the same language and speak it consistently so that everyone's on the same page all the time. I would say StoreForce has just helped us with scheduling, period, regardless of the time frame. Obviously more important during our peak times of holiday to be able to take all of our patterns and trends that we're seeing throughout the year to be able to help us be smarter in how we're scheduling and providing labor for our team to get ready for the holiday season. So I would say all around, from a scheduling standpoint to execution, and then also to seeing what the results are coming out of that, and then being able to show the why of why we did something, and also being able to coach why they should have done something. Having access to, again, like I said, visibility is key, and that consistency in how we're understanding the business is also super key in partnership with that. Oh, absolutely. I would definitely say that we've seen some cost saving using StoreForce. Gone are the days as a store manager that you're back in your office spending hours on building your schedule. Now there's a straightforward process and how to develop and create it, and then all you need to do is make schedule edits based on what output you're seeing. So that should relieve, if anything, a few hours just every time you're creating a schedule for the week. So I'd say a lot of savings for sure. StoreForce allows us to be consistent and efficient with our store operations.